Unlock the power of real estate data by learning how to scrape Zillow automatically. First, select your programming language Python. With libraries like Beautiful Soup and Scrapey, is popular JavaScript using Puppeteer or Cheerio as another option, and R, with its REST package, can also be used. Choose the one you're most comfortable with. Next, inspect Zillow's website. Use your browser's developer tools to identify the HTML elements containing the data you need, like property prices, addresses, and descriptions. Pay close attention to class names and IDs. Implement your scraping script. Send HTTP requests to Zillow's URLs, making sure to include appropriate headers to mimic a real user and avoid being blocked. Parse the HTML response using your chosen language's parsing library and extract the targeted data based on the HTML structure identified earlier. Then store this extracted data in a structured format like a CSV or JSON and file for later analysis. Be mindful of Zillow's terms of service and robots text file. Implement delays between requests to avoid overloading their servers and getting blocked, and incorporate error handling to gracefully manage issues like connection errors or changes in the website's structure. That's it. You're now equipped to automate Zillow data extraction ethically and efficiently. Remember to scrape responsibly and respect Zillow's policies.